Hi everybody, if you're new, my name is Daisha, I do makeup, and if you're returning, let's just jump right into the video. I went to Ulta and I spent $100 on some products. Here's the receipt. I know it says $99, but still, that's $100. So I got some makeup products that I haven't used on myself before. So in this video, I'm going to be trying to see if they are a hit or if they are a miss. So I'm going to be showing you guys when these products were released, the rating that they get, other people's ratings, and then we're going to go ahead and try them on me so you guys can see which products are a hit or a miss. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's just go ahead and get straight into it. Also guys, this is just a disclaimer. I am not being paid to showcase these products. These are all products that I bought with my own money. You saw the receipt. All this in total was $99. I am doing this for myself and for you guys so you can see which products are actually worth buying, because makeup nowadays is very expensive. So it's really good to know which products are worth the money when you are buying them. So now let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, let's go ahead and start with this review. And the first thing we are going to be reviewing is the Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Foundation. Now, I saw this in the store and I really wanted to branch out and I really wanted to try a new foundation. This foundation is supposed to be medium coverage, and also it's not supposed to look greasy or oily. Here is how it looks straight out of the package. This is rated 4.6 stars on Fenty Beauty's website and it came out in April of this year. So let's go ahead and try this out. So upon opening it, it looks like this. There is a nozzle at the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face. So let's just put it on. Now I'm just putting it anywhere because that's usually how I do my regular foundation. So I have this beauty blender and I also already have primer on, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm blending this out. So far, I think that it's easy to blend. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the whole face and then I'll see you when we're done with that. Okay, so here it is all blended out, and I definitely feel like I might have gotten too dark of a shade, so I feel like I probably could have gone lighter. In general, it was very easy to blend. It's very breathable. It has, like it said, medium coverage. So let's go ahead and move on to the next product. The next product that I'm going to be trying is actually a concealer, so we can go ahead and do a full makeup look today. So this is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this actually came out in 2013, so this is the oldest product that we are trying today. It is overall rated 4.5 stars, and on the marketing, when I went into the store, it said that it is the best concealer in the US. So we're going to be trying that out and seeing if that is true. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. It comes in this package. And this is how it looks. I got the shade Walnut. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in the normal places that I usually put my concealer. So the applicator is very skinny. I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes. So I put it on my chin. I also put it on my nose. And I also put it on my forehead. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that with setting spray, and then we're going to blend it out. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and blend out underneath our eyes, just like this. Okay, here's how it looks blended. I do think I need to add a little bit more. Let's go ahead and do the chin. Okay, so here is the concealer all blended out. And I do think that this is very natural looking, especially when I use it with the foundation that I used. I do think that it could be a little bit brighter, but that's just my preference because I like concealers that are a little bit lighter. I'm just going to go ahead and do this, and then I'm going to blend that out to see how bright it is. And I will say I really like how natural this looks. Yeah, so I'm really happy with this one. And I feel like 4.5 stars, that is a good rating for this. Next up, I want to go ahead and do a full face with all this. So let's go ahead and skip to the eye so we can go ahead and do an eye look. Alright guys, so next up it's time for eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow that I got is this ColourPop palette called By the Rose. And it's supposed to feature a lot of sparkly and metallic like eyeshadows. And it's supposed to be very pigmented. and when we open it, it looks like this. And I literally fell in love with the pigment. Like, it's just so cute. It's so glossy. It's just so, I love it. So let's see if this is really pigmented and if it lives up to its name. Let's do this one. This one is called Cheers Babe, and let's just go ahead and put that on our eye. It's like this kind of coral, really light color. It's really pretty, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that on both of my eyes. Here's how they look on my eyes. It's super cute. It's super like shimmery. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and use this color called Effervescent. It's right here. I'm gonna try and blend these because it says on the ColourPop website that they're supposed to be blendable. So here's the eye look that I created. I think that this is super cute. I'm really a big fan of ColourPop, so this is gonna be like near and dear to my heart. I really do like this palette. Look at how cute this is, guys. I love all the colors on this because it's like peachy, pinks and reds and kind of like more like nudish colors, and it has a lot of shimmer in it, guys. But overall, I think that this one was worth it. And let's go ahead and move on to the next item. So the next and final item is this e.l.f. H2O sorry, the e.l.f. H2O eyeliner pen. And I'm just gonna go ahead and say this. I already have this product and I literally use it all the time, but I wanted to go ahead and do a formal review of it. In my experience of using this, it has been really good, and I just bought this because I needed a refill on it. So let's just go ahead and use this. I put it right here, and then I kind of like to do like this. I'm gonna come in like this and then do like this. And this is great if you have hooded eyes or eyelids that just like to cover up anything that you do. So here is how the eyeliner looks. Now let's go ahead and pop on some lashes and some lip gloss and some highlighter, and let's make this a full face look. Alright guys, here is a completed look using the products that I bought today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more content like this. I really wanted to switch up my content for a second because I normally just do makeup tutorials and stuff like that, but I wanted to do a review of some products that are new to me, and honestly, this look is really good. I'm really proud of how this turned out. I really like the foundation that I used, the concealer, love the eyeshadow palette. It's literally so cute. And I also like the eyeliner. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.